Hello students, good morning. We are learning English pronouns. Until now we have learned various types of pronouns. Today we shall study the last type of pronoun, which is called reciprocal pronoun. Okay? What is reciprocal pronouns? We try to understand through the name of this pronoun first. The word reciprocal has been made with the word reciprocate. What is the meaning of reciprocate? Reciprocate means to give and take mutually or to return in kind or degree, which means किसी भी एक्शन का, किसी भी क्रिया का परस्पर होना, which means एक्शन के रिस्पॉन्स में उसी एक्शन का उसको रिटर्न में मिलना. Okay, so you can say that a reciprocal pronoun is used to express a mutual action or relationship. Okay, so we can say that the pronouns which create the sense of reciprocation to qualify nouns are called reciprocal pronouns. And there are two reciprocal pronouns. The first one is each other and the second one is one another. Okay, let's try to understand this through this image. Here now you can see that there is a dog and there is a cat. Now my dog and cat love each other. Here the action that is loving the other person is happening with both the animals, as like dog and cat. My dog and cat love each other. Here the action is happening from both the side. It is happening mutually. Okay, so that's why it is called, here the word each other is called reciprocal pronoun. Let's take another example, as like when I say Meera is giving gift to Sheila and Sheila is giving gift to Meera. Here both they are giving gifts to each other. So placing the nouns with the pronoun, again I will say that Meera and Sheila are giving gift to each other. Now here the word each other is called reciprocal pronouns because it denotes the sense of reciprocation, and they are also qualifying the nouns Sheila and Meera. Okay, so very simple, you have to understand that किसी भी एक्शन का जब परस्पर रिएक्शन होता है तो वहाँ पे रेसिप्रोकल प्रोनाउन का यूज़ किया जाता है. एज लाइक ईच अदर एंड वन अनदर. ईच अदर किसके लिए? जब दो हों, ठीक है, और वन अनदर प्लूरल के लिए, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए, यानी कि दो से ज़्यादा जब पर्सन्स की बात की जाए या थिंग्स की बात की जाए या एनिमल्स की, तब के लिए. ओके, एज लाइक वी विल सी द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, दे ऑल सपोर्ट one another. Here you can see the picture that there is a man and then there is a woman and then there is another man. So what the action is happening now? The action that they are supporting, which means, let's take an example, the man is supporting the woman and the woman is supporting the other man. Okay, and it goes on and on, which means in short we will say that they all support one another. Okay, ईच अदर सिर्फ दो लोगों के बीच की बात होती है, तब हम ईच अदर वर्ड का प्रोनाउन का यूज़ करते हैं. लेकिन जब दो से ज़्यादा की बात की जाए, चाहे 3 और 5 और 6 और 7, देन वी यूज़ वन अनदर प्रोनाउन. Okay, so very easy, you have to understand and you have to learn that there are two reciprocal pronouns. The one is each other, which is used with two persons or animals or things, and one another, that is used with more than one person. Okay, now let's see some easy examples of reciprocal pronouns. Here are some easy examples of the reciprocal pronouns each other. Use each other when there are two things, as like Jack and Jill hate each other. Now note that Jack hates Jill and Jill hates Jack. Okay, which means the action is happening mutually. The action is reciprocated, which means it is happening mutually. Both Jack and Jill hate each other. Okay, now second, they gave each other presents. Have you seen each other's solution? Note, each other is treated as singular. Therefore, the possessive apostrophe is placed before the S. Okay, because each other is supposed to be a singular. So that's why we use apostrophe s, okay, to form the possession. Now here are some easy examples of the reciprocal pronouns one another. Use one another when there are two more than things, as I told you just now. As like, let's take some more examples. The crayfish started eating one another. The team members played their hearts out for one another. एक दूसरे के लिए टीम मेंबर्स ने खेला. They deliberately blocked one another's proposals. Okay, the competitors were deliberately blocking one another's view to gain an advantage. So note that one another is treated as singular, therefore the possessive apostrophe is placed before the s. Okay, as we have discussed it already, that to show the possession we use apostrophe s with one another when it is used as singular and each other when it is used as singular. Okay, so what you have to learn, that reciprocal pronoun is the pronoun which create the sense of reciprocation. To qualify nouns are called reciprocal pronouns, and there are two reciprocal pronouns. The one is each other, which is used with two persons or things, and the second one is one another, which is used more than two persons or things. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now try to make sentences on it, and I'll see you in next class. Thank you.